In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the come back later error on Etsy using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. This message usually appears when Etsy temporarily limits your activity due to security checks, too many requests, or unusual login behavior. Now, if you want to fix this issue on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by stopping all activity immediately. Don't keep refreshing or retrying, as repeated attempts can extend the restriction. Wait at least 15 to 60 minutes before trying again. Next, log out of your account and close the app or browser completely. After a few minutes, reopen Etsy and try again normally. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. Shared or unusual IP addresses often trigger security limits, so switch to a normal home or mobile network. You can also change your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router to get a fresh connection. If the issue still continues, wait longer without attempting to log in repeatedly. In some cases, it may take a few hours up to 24 hours for the restriction to reset automatically. That's it. Fixing the come back later error on Etsy usually comes down to waiting, avoiding repeated attempts, and using a stable, trusted network.